Good morning students. Today we are discussing about the topic Aloha. What is Aloha? First we will see about table of contents Aloha and what is collision and the different types of Aloha. That Aloha means it is a random access protocol. It was actually designed for wireless LAN, but it also applicable for shared medium. Shared medium also uses the Aloha concept. In this multiple station can transmit the data. At that time the data will be collide because we will send the data at the same time. The data will be collided. Other meaning is garbled, collided or garbled. And then how to garble the data. The reasons we will explain. There are two mediums are there, A and B. First, A medium will send the frame A and then B frame will be sent by the station B, and then A frame and then B frame are sent at the same time. The data will be collided. So the frames will be lost. If the frames will be lost, we will send the data again. Next we will discuss about the types of Aloha. There are two types of Alohas are available. The first one is the pure Aloha and then second one is slotted Aloha. First we will see about pure Aloha. The pure Aloha can be termed as the main Aloha or the original Aloha. Whenever any frame is available, we want to send the data. First, any channel is available for sending the data. So, we will send the data at the same time. The data will be collided or garbled. In this case, pure Aloha wants to send the data before the receiver will acknowledge it. They will receive the data or not. If the receiver does not send any acknowledgement, the sender assumes the data will be not received by the receiver. So, that will be send the data again. So, we will move to the next topic, slotted Aloha. So, compared to pure Aloha, how the slotted Aloha is different? Because slotted Aloha is simply an advanced version of pure Aloha. This will be improving the communication network. So, each one want to send the data. Before beginning, it will acknowledge to the other one because I want to send the data. If you want to send the data or not, I will first send the data. They will acknowledge to other stations. So all others know we will want to send the data. Station 1 send the data. So others will idle at that time. So if all the ones send the same time, the data will be garbled. And then slotted Aloha helps to reduce the number of collision because the acknowledgement is available. So, the time of collision will be reduced. So, and then we will delay the time, all the one will be reduced. In slotted Aloha, the channel is separated into particular slots. Pure Aloha, we will send any time and then any slot. So, slotted Aloha, we will define a time to send the data. So, this is the difference between pure Aloha and slotted Aloha. Thank you students.